The proverb, "Giving to the poor increaseth your store," suggests that charitable acts, or giving to those in need, can actually enhance one's own wealth or abundance. The proverb emphasizes the idea that acts of generosity, particularly directed towards the less fortunate or those experiencing poverty, can have positive effects on one's own prosperity. By helping others and sharing resources, individuals create a positive cycle that leads to increased blessings, abundance, or prosperity in their own lives. There are multiple interpretations of this proverb. 1. Karma or divine blessings. Some interpretations view the increase in wealth as a result of divine blessings or a universal law of karma. By demonstrating compassion and assisting those in need, individuals attract positive energy, blessings, or favorable circumstances that contribute to their own prosperity. 2. Social and economic factors. From a practical perspective, the proverb suggests that acts of charity and support for the poor can contribute to the well-being of society as a whole. By investing in the welfare of others, individuals indirectly create a healthier and more prosperous community, which can ultimately benefit them as well. 3. Psychological perspective. Giving to the poor can also have a positive psychological impact on the giver. It can foster a sense of fulfillment, purpose, and gratitude, which in turn contributes to a positive mindset and the motivation to work towards personal success and abundance. It's important to note that the proverb does not imply that giving to the poor guarantees immediate or direct financial gain. Rather, it suggests that acts of kindness and generosity have the potential to create a ripple effect that can enhance one's overall well-being, including but not limited to material wealth. Taking this into account, the proverb, "Giving to the poor increaseth your store," encourages individuals to be generous and compassionate towards those in need. It suggests that acts of charity and assistance can contribute to one's own prosperity and well-being, whether through divine blessings, societal benefits, or psychological fulfillment. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more educative videos.